Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful new morphic infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with dark blue color. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a circle shape through center of slide holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Let's remove its outline. Now again go to Insert tab and then draw a moon shape holding down Shift key. Rotate this shape by 90 degrees, remove its outline and then change its fill color to lighter shade of our background color. Now go to soft edges feature and then increase its value maybe until 11 points. That looks perfect. Now adjust the size of this moon shape if required. Place this moon shape on top portion of our circle shape as shown and then send it to back. Now duplicate this moon shape using Ctrl+D and then change its fill color to the darker shade of our background color. Flip it vertically and then place it at the bottom portion of our circle shape and then send it to back. Now, if we change the fill color of circle same as that of background, you will see only top and bottom portion of the circles will be visible because of the backend moon shape effect. Let's adjust the positions of both the moon shape using arrow keys so that only little portion is visible with proper effect. Now go to Insert tab and then draw a circle shape through center of slide holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline, match its fill color with the background and then apply outer shadow effect with top left direction. Change the shadow color with the lighter shade of background color and then increase blur and distance values to 8 points. Now duplicate this circle using Ctrl+D and then apply outer shadow effect with bottom right direction as shown. This time change the shadow color to darker shade of background color and then increase the blur and distance values to 8 points. Now place both the circles one over the other and you will get that beautiful new morphic effect. Next go to Insert tab and then draw another circle through center of slide holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline and then apply inner shadow effect with top left direction as shown. Change the shadow color to the darker shade of background color, increase the blur value to 8 points and then decrease the transparency until we get desired effect. Now format this shape with 2-step radial gradient. Change its direction to bottom right corner and then change the top colors with background and lighter shade of background colors and then adjust the stop positions until we get desired effect. That looks perfect. Now select all the shapes and group them together. Place it at the left side section of our slide and then drag it holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create 3 more duplicates. Now select all the groups holding down Ctrl key, distribute them horizontally and then place them centrally to vertical guide. Finally, ungroup all these shapes and then add PNG and text fields onto our design. Let's format these PNG icons with 2-step linear gradient. Change the direction and stop colors with different shades of blue color as shown. Slightly increase their size and then place them onto our design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.